It's a NEET 2016 question and earlier PMT question too. It's a simple question from vectors that's in two-dimensional motion. The question is like this. If the magnitude of sum of two vectors is the magnitude of difference of two vectors, what is the angle between the two vectors is? So let us consider A and B are two vectors. What is being said is P bar plus Q bar, magnitude of sum of the two vectors, is the magnitude of the difference between the vectors, that is P bar minus Q bar. Sorry, if it is P and Q. Then what is the angle between the two vectors, right? How do you find the sum of the two vectors, right? If there is one vector and another vector, to find the sum of the two vectors, we use a law called parallelogram law. What is that parallelogram law tells you? If P and Q are the two vectors, represents two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. The resultant of the two vectors is a diagonal of the parallelogram. Basing on that, resultant of two vectors P bar plus Q bar can be proved as it has been proved in this video lessons. You can see P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Resultant when the two vectors are in the opposite direction becomes P bar minus Q bar. Everything is same except in the place of Q we keep minus Q cos theta. So it becomes how much? Root of P square minus Q whole square is still Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. Now it is being said that these two are equal. This is nothing but the magnitude of the two vectors using parallelogram law. So as it is given that P bar plus Q bar equal to P bar minus Q bar, let's equate both of them. This and this. That is root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta equal to root of P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. Let us square this equation on both the sides. Therefore, the roots will go. P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta equal to root has to be gone, right? Yeah. P square, because we have squared the equation, minus 2PQ cos theta. P square, Q square on both the sides will cancel. Minus 2PQ cos theta on the other side becomes plus. Therefore, 4PQ cos theta equal to, everything is gone to this side, so that's equal to 0. So cos theta equal to 0 by 4PQ. 0 by anything is equal to 0. When cos is 0, when theta is equal to 90 degree. That implies the angle between the two vectors is 90 degree. So it is solved on a very basic formula called parallelogram law. Using parallelogram law, we can find magnitude of the vector using root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. If it is a minus Q, just in the place of Q, wherever you have, put a minus Q so that you will end up with another answer. That's how we have to solve the problem. Thank you for watching, right?